We must allow such freedom of perspective and truth to move us then to an experience of solidarity, a solidarity with the God-man Jesus and his sheep. Solidarity with, yes, Africans, Asians, Spanish, Native Americans, and our Anglo brothers and sisters. Solidarity with the dispossessed, commitment to the poor, conscience which prods those who think they are affluent. Such actions will arouse suspicions if we dare to love and serve in such a manner. We will not be popular, I can promise you. But I can also promise you that the eyes once shut to personal racism and injustices will begin to open. Ears heavy with worn-out phrases and cliches become light and attuned to new themes and new trends which we as Black Presbyterians begin to live and to act. Hearts once fat with the thought that we weren't ready as blacks, or were somehow inferior, and that their base of power was somehow sure, will grow lean with compassion and sensitivity. I profess that the church will change. I profess that the world will change.
Sing a new song, sing to the Lord a new song, sing a new song, sing a new song, sing a new song, sing to the Lord a new song, sing a new song.